Hi! Today I'll show you how to export animations from Adobe After Effects and use them in your HTML5 ads. In this example, we're working with a simple After Effects animation of a TikTok logo. Our goal is to export this animation and then use the BannerNow widget to play it inside an HTML5 banner. Let's take a look at how to make this happen. First, we need to install a special After Effects plugin called Bodymovin. You'll find a link to the installation instructions in the YouTube video description. Go to After Effects and Installing Bodymovin. Start by closing Adobe After Effects if it's currently open. Then, download the ZXP installer by clicking the Download link. Click Download. Open the installer. On macOS, simply drag and drop the ZXP installer into your Applications folder. On the same page, you'll also see best practices worth reviewing. Next, download the Bodymovin extension. This is the tool we'll use to export our After Effects animation as a JSON file. Click the Download Raw file. Once the file is downloaded, open the ZXP installer. Go to Applications and click to Open. Select either All Users or Current User Only. Let's choose All Users and proceed. Drag and drop the Bodymovin plugin into the installer. Click Install. Let's go back now and continue with the instructions. The plugin is now installed, so you can launch Adobe After Effects. Go to Applications and click to open After Effects. The first thing you need to do is go to After Effects Settings, then Scripting and Expressions, and make sure the option Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access the Network is enabled. This allows the Bodymovin plugin to save files to your computer. Click OK. Next, go to Window, Extensions, Bodymovin. The plugin may take a few moments to load. Once it's ready, select the composition you want to export. In our case, it's called TikTok Logo. Click the three dots to choose where the exported file will be saved. I'll save the JSON file to my Downloads folder. You can adjust advanced settings here if needed, such as exporting hidden layers or rasterized assets like PNGs or JPGs. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the default settings. Click Render. And that's it. Our TikTok logo animation has been exported as a JSON file, ready to be used in BannerNow. Let's name it TikTok. Next, open the JSON file using any text editor, such as TextEdit. Select all the text and copy it. Now, go to BannerNow and add a new widget called Lottie After Effects. In the JSON configuration field, select all existing content, delete it, and paste in your copied JSON code. Let's also adjust the timeline so the widget appears from the very beginning and increase its duration if necessary. Now let's preview the banner. As you can see, the animation is perfectly reproduced in BannerNow. The best part is that it uses vector graphics, so you can resize it freely without any loss of quality. I can scale up or down the widget. And that's it. You can now export advanced animations such as logos, preloaders, and animated vector icons from After Effects and seamlessly use them in your HTML5 ads with BannerNow. As you can see, the entire animation only weighs 21 kilobytes. This means you can easily fit an After Effects animation, even if your Google Ads HTML5 banner has a 150 kilobytes limit. Thanks for watching and happy animating!